came to the Imats with me. And we're gonna go to Suva Beauty because I think they're running out of hydroliners.
But I left my yellow hair at home.
We are scratching off our little lottery tickets to see if we can win one of these.
He's skinny.
How much? $50 off. Yay!
Get the other 50% off.
Yay! I don't support Mac, but I could look at it. So we just finished at the Imats and it's really cold out, so that's why I got a hood on. I think I just cleared out that entire room. I just bought everything. And my mommy got some stuff too. Everyone had really cool hair and makeup and it was very inspiring.
Yeah, a lot of body art.
A lot of body art and makeup people walking around with paint on their bodies.
You'll never do it.
It was really cool. I just like, those were my people. Everyone had like colorful hair and like the cool, everyone I was looking at their makeup, I was like, oh my god. Like, I wish I can go to a million of these so that I can wear cool makeup to them. Because when are you going to be able to wear this kind of makeup? Look at my hand. And now we're going to go to dinner. And if you got this far, then thank you so much for watching and subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, welcome back again. I know I'm wearing the exact same look from the last video, but that's because I just decided after filming that I want to film another one where I show you guys what I got at the Imats because I have a whole bunch of stuff here. Figured I should share it. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, so I just did the review for the Kat Von D brows. The first product is here. It's Lemmy Green. I finally got the Take Me to Brazil palette. It's like a rainbow palette. It's just really useful to have. I've been eyeing it for so long, but I keep saying I don't need it. But I need it. It's like that SpongeBob episode.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
Moving on, I got this palette, which is pretty much like the Moonchild Glow Kit. The reason I got this is because I'm running out of some of the shades in the Moonchild Glow Kit. It isn't super pigmented. I wasn't fully happy with it when I made the purchase. I think I ordered it online, and by the time it came, I was like, this is kind of like dry and like not super bright. This one is like pigmented. I'm also wearing it on my inner corners, so you can see that it's definitely more pigment than the Moonchild. I should probably finish the rest of the Kat Von D stuff because I already showed you one of the things. Okay, I got 3 lipsticks. Mother, which is just a bright pink color that I've been eyeing at the store for a really long time. I think I tried it on a couple times. I also got Roxy, which is like a dark purple, and this looks so pretty. I'm really excited to wear this. I had to get Witches, which is just her black color, because I love wearing black lipstick in a lot of my Instagram looks, and I've been using the NYX Alien, but like it's kind of like, I don't know, it seems like it has like a navy blue to it. It doesn't like dry down completely, so it's not the same. I wanted like a true black. I like her formula. I like her formula a lot, so I figured I've been wanting this for a while. Shade and Light Palette cream version. I have the regular version. I love it. It's like the main contour I use, and recently I've been getting really into cream contouring, so I was like, you know what? It's time. I should get it. I'm really excited to use it. I really like cream contouring. It's super fun. If you watch It's Likely Makeup, she uses this in like all of her videos, the Lock It concealer brush, and she uses it for nose contour a lot, and she says it's like her favorite brush ever. I just wanted it. They also gave a couple free samples away, tattoo liner and a little liquid lipstick. Had to get something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. My mom and I waited on a really long line to get into like the booth. They like were sold out of a lot of things, and there wasn't really much that I wanted other than lipstick, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get 3 lipsticks. Got Grim, which is like this cool tones, like grayish purpley type shade, which I don't think I have. I also got Catnip. It seemed like a pink I don't have. Really just like pretty. It's bright, but it's not too bright. Oh, I should have worn this. Actually, no, it's a little too dark. Also got Insomniac, especially because of this hair. I love this hair, and I had to get a color to match it. It's a little bit bluer than my hair. That's why I didn't wear it. Also, I thought it'd be a little bit too much as I'm talking with glitter on my face. I stopped at the Mayron booth, so I got this. When you paint with it, it's like an ombre type thing. I did stop by Lime Crime. I don't really own any Lime Crime because I don't know how I feel about the brand. I've been wanting the Diamond Crushers for a really long time, and they happen to have this little like 3 sampler thing, and they're like minis, but I don't think I'm gonna wear them enough for it to like run out, you know. It comes with 3 little Diamond Crushers, Acid Fairy, Choke, and Pink Pearl. Ooh, I want to put one on now. Oh, I'm so excited. Which one should I put? I love how I'm talking to you like you're there. I'm gonna do the one in the middle, Acid Fairy. Oh no, it's Choke. I'm so excited. I've never tried this before. That's weird. I was told this has a weird smell, but it doesn't. That shine though. Okay, this was the wrong choice to make because this has got like blue in it, and that's not what I wanted. Also, it's really bad with this look. Totally doesn't fit. Let me put a little bit of Acid Fairy. Oh my god, it's like bubblegum sugar lips. That's so fun. I would have to do a look that's like centered around the lips because it's just not working with this. That also makes my teeth look yellow. I don't know if I should keep it on for the rest of the video. Where's my Jeffree Star lip scrub when I need it? I didn't fully take it off, but I took off a little bit so that it's not crazy looking. Lime Crime, done. Next, I got a couple Sigma brushes because I don't own any. The E40 and the E30. I also got, okay, so I've seen this on Instagram. If you follow the Wigs and Makeup Manager, she's super talented. She uses these a lot. I was gonna order them online, but they were kind of like expensive and I didn't want to pay the shipping and everything. So I've just been holding off, and then I saw them for sale at the booth and I was like, oh my god, I need to get all of the ones that I like. So I got a whole bunch of them. It's like this rainbow holographic, like weird, like skeletal thing. Basically what these are, if I wasn't clear, it's called face lace, and it's just these applications for your face. It's like a sticker, but you add them onto your look, which is really fun. I should have worn this now. I would put them in the freckle area also. That'd be so fun. And they're so good for festivals. And then this one is like, they advertise it as like an eyeliner, but it's like a sticker liner. Just put this all over your eye. And then I got like the mermaid scales. I definitely will use them. It's also good for when you have creative block. You can either make a look around that or just like throw it on if you don't know where to go with your look. It's kind of like what I did with the glitter here. I was kind of lazy. I originally did a different eye look and I was hating it, so I just took it off and was like, I'm just gonna do pink. One color, easy, simple. Okay, this is, I guess, a little story. I didn't want this. I stopped by the Violet Voss booth and I saw they had these little glitter stars and I wanted like a chunky glitter. I asked her, do you have any of the glitter stars? There was only like 2 women working there and they didn't understand what I was saying, I guess. She gave it to me and charged me for it and I bought it, and then I think I went to try to open it. It was like literally like 3 pieces of glitter in there and then like a block inside of it. And I was so confused. I was like trying to ask her like, what is this? And she's like, oh, like, yeah, it's good. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, why is there no glitter inside of here? Why is there a block in the middle of it? I go back to the sample and I see that it's actually a soap, like for your brush, which is so weird because why would it be in this size? Like for a brush cleaner, it's so small. Why would you put glitter in a brush cleaner? Like, I don't get it. Like, it's very misleading because it's amongst the rest of the glitters. And I asked her for a glitter. I didn't say soap. I was like, can I have that glitter? I don't know why she gave it to me. I was like, oh, can I switch it for the glitter? And she's He's like, oh, there's no star glitter. We don't carry that. But then the girl in front of me was buying it. So I don't know what happened, but I definitely didn't want the soap. So I was like, whatever, just give me any other glitter because I already paid. But it was like $5, so whatever. And I mean, it's definitely a pretty one. I'll make use of it. It's called Champagne Bubbly Rainbow Flex. It's really pretty. Oh, so I bought some stuff from Suvi Beauty, but they were sold out when I got there, so they're actually mailing it to me. So I don't have it here. I probably should have waited to do this video. I totally forgot that I had more stuff coming. Moving on, I really wanted chunky glitter, so I went to the Lit Cosmetics booth and they had a beautiful arrangement. I tried on actually the same stars that I was trying to buy from Violet Voss. So I got a little overwhelmed. There was like a deal for each 3 and then I got an extra 2 for free. It was a whole thing, but it's kind of weird because the first one is this same pink that's on my eyes right now and it's called No Doubt. So here's the story with this. I sat down and I opened this and I started putting it on my eyes and I didn't really think much about it. It looked like this when I opened it, and then I went to look at a different color. When I opened it, it looked like this. I don't know if you could see, but there's a plastic sticker on top of it, which normally if you have something that comes in a container with like little holes, whether it's a setting powder or a loose eyeshadow or a glitter, it usually always comes with that little sticker on top. So then I started thinking, why did the one that I'm using not have that? So I started opening all of them, or like taking the lids off of all of them, and I realized a lot of them had stickers and a lot of them didn't. I'm like, that's really weird. I counted the total. There's 6 of them that don't have any sticker on top. Like, as you can see, like this one came like this. I never, I didn't touch it. I didn't use it. I just opened it. It looks like it's been used. So that's concerning for many reasons because A, sanitary. Like, I don't know if it's used. I don't know who touched it. It could be a sampler. Like, people could have stuck their fingers in it. And then B, I don't know how much product is in it now because if it's used or if it's a sample, you know, as it is, this is really small for like a full-size glitter. You see that it's like hovering in there, like it's not even the full box. So if that's used, I'm getting like no glitter. So I don't know how much was used. I don't know how much is in there. And there's no way to know if it's open. So that was kind of upsetting because I spent a good amount of money at that booth because I was really excited. And then to find out 6 of them were not even sealed, it's just, I don't like it. So I just emailed them. We'll see how they handle it, but I'm a little bit nervous. I saw some concerning reviews on their Facebook page, so I don't know. I'm a little bit scared. But anyway, I'm going to show you the glitters. This one's called Queen of Hearts. So this is one of the sealed ones. It's just got a bunch of hearts in there. Stars one, which was what I originally wanted from Violet Voss. The little circular ones, it's called Disco Dots. It's a good name. Hawaii 5-0 also has a seal. Tease and Silver. Strawberry Angel. This is one of the ones that didn't come with a seal, but it's really pretty. I'm just like afraid to use it because like I don't know what people have done to it. This one is Escape and Gold. I was obsessed with this one. Oh, thank God this one has a seal. I was really excited for this one. I don't know if you could see. Glitter all over the place here. It's called Afternoon Delight. This one doesn't have a seal. This one's called Green Machine. Again, no seal. But this one's, oh! This one's so pretty. I got the electric yellow. I don't really need to be opening it. You can see. It's called Kaboom. I also got Kabang, neon orange. I think that's everything. Oh, I did, last minute, I actually did buy the makeup eraser. Basically just a face towel to clean your face with. I saw it on the way out and they were also sold out, so she said she would send one to me. I guess I can unbox it for you because I actually want to see what this is like. But what they claim is that you just add water to it and it will take your makeup off. Whether or not that's true, because I mean my makeup looks are, you know, heavier than normal. Still good to have like a really soft towel because I don't like scrubbing my skin with like a regular towel. Basically this little thing, this little cloth, and it is really soft. So one side has like a longer fur and the other side has shorter fur. It's definitely like soft. Honestly, it just feels like a blankie. Feels like a kid's blankie. It's funny that this is like $20 and it's like a little blankie or like a bib or something. But again, like I said, it's good to have. So yeah, I think that's everything. I'm definitely gonna find like a whole other bag of shit when I'm done here. That looks like everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.